Whoa, she just jumped out the plane.
I jumped out of a freaking plane.
Did you see us? Okay. We go all the way up to the front of the island. Take a ride. Okay then.
Woo! He just jumped. You got it. Go ahead. Oh, close the gate. Can you close the gate? You can't close it. Oh. Yeah, it's cold. And you drop down fast, a little fast. You drop down, so, you know what I'm saying?
You can't even explain the type of a feeling that was. That was like
Definitely a stress relief.
I screamed and let every weight and care out of my body.
Chase your dream, manifest it.
Before I put these headphones in, make sure it ain't no static. When did my money stress like it's business after business, and I ain't pass all of my class. How you vlogging and you rapping? Tell us the social choice backwards. If you ain't rapping, the paperwork is just the main factor. Fuck up, money up there, I'm chasing after. Had an electric counter, but my finger move a little faster. Cause you rich only have 5 hours. Been 2 weeks on me, one pad. Wanna get your job up. She see me and had a heart attack. You ain't getting shorty back. He on the team, something like the quarterback. Glock 19 with the red beam attached.
My son took me to breakfast. Thank you. We're about to roll it out.
$50 though.
Okay.
That ain't even good now.
Oh, I appreciate that. That was so nice.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2.
Take my glasses off. Oh, thank you, John.
She happy to do this. I don't know how she so. I mean, I know how she excited, but woo, I'll be scared to go skydiving. It's her birthday though. I feel that she turned. She recorded a long video.
Oh my goodness! I cannot believe it.
How high is it in the air?
Huh?
How high is
14,000 feet.
Woo!
I know, right?
Hey, this is an achievement for sure.
You gotta do it with us.
Nah, I'm not doing it.
So excited. Hey, girl! I'm trying to get my son to go with us.
Nah, I don't do that. I stay on the ground. You know what I'm saying?
If God wants to fly, he would give us wings.
Right.
The more people that tell me don't do it, the more I want
Right,
to.
that's what I said. I'm going to do it. Everybody's like, I'm scared of everything.
I ain't no dreamer, but look, I said I was going to take a shot.
Right.
You want one?
Okay.
What they did last
I
night.
am weak.
They may have been out drinking, get high, I don't know. I got to get a feel for who it is.
Oh, Jesus.
No, thank you.
Oh,
and
my
then you know, I
God.
just had both knees done.
Oh, that's right.
So that's why I got
right.
to ask you know, I was watching the video when we were laying.
Yeah.
I got to make sure that...
But just, I think we just put your legs up. Yeah, just slide in your butt. Don't even let your legs touch the ground or your feet first.
That's a boy.
Oh my God! Look, my heart is racing.
Your husband is coming, so you know
he won't even come. Tell me he got to get cleared by his doctor. You don't even go. Don't even go to a doctor.
Yeah, I couldn't do it.
Yes, you can.
Not right now.
Look, it's a beautiful day. It's no wind. I mean, it's gonna be.
I would have a heart attack.
No, you won't.
I'm just gonna close my eyes.
Yeah, just do it.
Hey.
Just do it. I'ma just do it.
I'm gonna let her go first.
I don't got no Nike contract. I ain't just doing nothing.
Oh my gosh, my adrenaline is like on 10.
Ahead of me, I was like, holy shit! It was cold, but fun.
Was it your first time?
Yes.
Okay, mine too.
Yes.
Oh goodness.
Are you wearing your rings?
No, I'll probably sit on the side.
Oh, yeah.
I'll put my hair
Definitely take
up.
all that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Too much fun.
How long did it take you to get up there?
A while, but they were circling for a
Yeah,
while.
so the wind was picking up, so it's, I don't know.
Come in, just confirming that your birthday is 12/24. Okay, I want to make sure that's good. Yeah, whenever you
I'm so nervous.
so if I can.
You that nervous?
Yes.
Woo, it's gonna be cool.
I did not.
We can't take this on the plane to chips.
No. Because when you jump, you're going to have to, we're going to get them.
Yeah, we're gonna get him. Oh, me.
That would be terrible.
I'm shaking down. I'm not doing that.
Oh, you
Come on and show back.
You can do it. You can do it.
I'm not doing that.
We all scared. It's all our first time.
I want to get up there and stab Mama as a neighbor, baby.
I'm just get there and scream. Release. Oh my God. Hey, you want to jump over that?
You're gonna wear that too.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't need that. Was that you that came down super fast?
Here, no, I landed over there.
Oh, okay. Somebody came down.
I don't come down super fast.
Okay. Yeah, I did it myself.
I only come down super fast when I got a passenger with me.
Oh, don't say that. Kalina, we're switching. He said, I only come down super fast when I have a passenger with me. Oh, goodness. Oh, okay.
Like, you know, so you're having fun, I'll put your pants. And then I go, ready, set, go, I'll push us out. As soon as I push us out, I need you to kick both of your legs as far back as you can. Try and get that heel close to your butt. If you feel me tapping on your leg like that, or hitting my leg on yours, legs further back. When I tap you on the shoulder here, that's when you can let go of the harness. Don't let go before I tap. Scott will come right in front of you. His other face here. When you see his other face in front of you, smile. If you see these two other faces in front of you, start crying.
Now, how many feet up in the air? How many feet up in the air is it?
13,000 feet.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
We're going to come off the bench and we're going to clear so, 4 minutes before we exit. Hello, Juanita. How are you?
I'm wonderful. How about yourself?
I'm doing pretty well. Welcome to Start Skydiving.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
I assume by the harness and your location, you're going to jump out of an airplane.
I am.
Is this your first time?
It is.
Is there a special occasion?
Today's my birthday.
Well, happy birthday.
Thank you. 47 years old. This is on my bucket list, and I am about to do this.
We're about to make it.
Yes, I'm ready.
Was this your idea or friends?
Mine.
You got any
And I
friends, family here with
Yeah,
you?
my friend Kalina is going to be jumping with me. She's somewhere over there.
Where's Kalina? There she is over there getting dressed up.
Candace chickened out on me.
I don't blame Candace. Hey, it ain't for everybody, sweetheart. It's not for everybody. Nothing wrong with that. You can enjoy it.
My son John is coming as well.
Some good food too. Oh, he's in the boat. He's riding on the airplane? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a great time. Good deal. Well, let's go see what the birds sing about. Check out the bucket list.
Thank you.
Great time, my friend. I'll see you in the airplane.
All righty. We are going to do today.
You excited?
Yes, I'm super excited and nervous at the same time.
Nah, it's about to be cool. It's about to be
It's
cool.
going to be fun.
This is gonna be one to remember for sure.
The sky, so I can do that part.
This is one we want to remember for sure.
Yes, I think the initial part of jumping is what got me kind of.
It's gonna be cool.
You don't know.
Yeah, I'm on the plane. Yeah.
You're gonna be on YouTube. You're gonna be famous. Finally getting over my fears. And I'm scared I can't get up left, I guess.
Most of us are afraid of
Right. Oh, really?
the door will be mentally challenging. Once you're out of the airplane,
Right.
one, you can't change your mind.
Right.
You can't go back in there. But two, your brain just kind of switches over and you don't really realize how high.
Yeah.
There's no relativity. You're not falling out.
You said what? Oh yeah, you already know my seatbelt gonna be on. Oh yeah, I don't do the jumping out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, me, I'm gonna stay on the ground too until you know what I mean. I like my.
Y'all stay here. My cousin Candace, she came out as well to support me. She took it out, but it's okay. It's okay. We'll do it next time. That's right.
All the way up to the front of the island. Take a walk.
Oh, these the bells and whistles. These the bells and whistles right here. All right.
Here's part of your seatbelt, the other side should be there. There's a middle connect. You don't necessarily need to do the shoulder straps unless you want to.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna do the shoulder strap.
That's the board.
This one. Huh? Okay. Oh yeah, we on. I can hear you. Oh yeah, we on. We on.
Kind of back down.
You said was this close? Can I have myself?
I got there about
A little closer to my lips.
so I needed to be set up.
You can try to. Okay. Yeah, I got you now. I was in it.
I will start doing 450, but I'll probably start doing next year. I feel like I'm almost ready. I got quite a mind to make that
I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat with who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I got myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took about it from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I'm strong. Because I realize I gotta be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me myself. I know that I will never be myself. All the ladies in the building, I was thinking I had some swing. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the real things, I'm going again.
You got it. You got it. Go ahead. Oh!
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no.
Close the gate. Can you close the gate? You can't close it. Oh.
That was so beautiful up there.
Give them both to me. You got them?
I'm sorry. Oh, this is amazing.
Well, I already heard you say it a couple times. Say it one more time for the camera.
This was amazing. I might make this a new hobby.
I hope you do. We're going to hook you up with some information to learn. You can teach yourself for free.
Absolutely.
Come pay to get the certification.
Absolutely.
Hey, thanks for coming to start skydiving.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, young lady.
We going down pretty fast. Going down pretty fast.
you can't even explain the type of a feeling that was. That was like
Definitely a stress relief.
I screamed and let every weight and care out of my body.
Like numb.
Right? I'm just in shock that I did this.
Bro, I'm like, whoa, she just jumped out the
I
plane.
jumped out of a freaking plane.
Yeah.
Oh my God, like this is surreal.
Skydiver when you ready to
I'm gonna become a skydiver. I'm gonna do this as a hobby. This is more than once I'm doing this.
I was like,
If you
whoa.
guys have not done it, you got to do it. I encourage everybody to jump out of a plane. If you jump out of a plane, you can do anything. Yes. I am not afraid of nothing else no more.
It's like, I'm up in the airplane, I can jump if I had to.
Exactly. I'm not afraid of nothing else. Alright. Hi girl. Hi Mari. There you go. We had a ball.
Y'all had fun. Y'all had fun.
Oh, you already know.
Because they was like, hey, I can't take pictures. I'm trying to see where they coming
Oh
in at.
my God. Like,
Oh my
I
God.
jumped out of a freaking airplane.
How was the plane ride?
I can't believe I did. He said I was a plane
How was
ride.
the plane ride?
Oh, the plane ride was good. Yeah.
They pushed you down?
Yeah, they pushed me down for sure. I was like, I said, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Try skydiving. It's way easier to land skydiving. We don't like riding the airplane down. We like if there's too cloudy or for whatever, if the conditions change and we can't land in it, we all get sketched out. We're like, oh shit, we got to land in the airplane. We want to land our parachutes as opposed to land in the airplane. So I always feel bad for people going on an airplane ride because I'm like, hell with this. I want to skydive. Yeah. Nice job up there.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. See y'all. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Bye. That was nice. Oh my God, we got Candace in here too. Hey, my girls did this. We